Hey everybody, what's crack-a-lackin'? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I put together this dark and vampy anti-Valentine's Day look, which was inspired by Nikkie Tutorials. If you want to see how you can break hearts this Valentine's Day, just keep on watching. To start out my face today, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. For foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 320. I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender. To conceal and contour, I'm going to be going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealers in the shades Ginger and Coco. And now with my Morphe M439 foundation brush, I'm going to blend out my contour and let my concealer under my eyes sit the longest because I want the most coverage where I am the ugliest. And now with my Booty Blender, I'm going to blend. Oh my god. I'm going to fix my forehead that I can never just get right the first time with my brush. Before I start to crease, I'm just baking in my ugly spots. Oh my god, I just spilled so much powder. Now we're going to intensify the skeleton look, and I'm going to bronze with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And just like in the other two videos, I'm just dusting off my bake as I press in my Sephora Micro Smooth foundation. Hello? Now taking this Becca and Jaclyn Hill duo blush and highlight, I'm just taking the blush and I am using this Becca brush. Okay, now that we look like a clown and a skeleton, we're just gonna blend that together. Okay, hey there, now that we're up too close and too personal, I'm gonna be showing you a simple, hopefully simple enough eye look. I'm gonna be literally using 3 shades. I'm gonna be using Tuscan Sun, Coco Bear, and Curtain Call, all from Makeup Geek. These are single eyeshadows, but I put them in a Z palette. I don't even know if that matters. So I'm just taking Tuscan Sun and blending this all over the crease. Now going in with Coco Bear, I'm going to start putting that on the outer corner of my eye and bringing that up into the crease to add a little definition. And just taking that original tapered blending brush and smoothing that out. Just using my finger, I'm going to be applying the curtain call. It's like this, as you can see, this deep maroonish burgundy. Since I don't find Coco Bear dark enough, I'm just gonna take a dark brown color from my Morphe 35O palette and adding that into the outer corner. This eye look is super easy. Now I'm going to be adding a wing, and I'm going to try to do it on camera again and hopefully not screw up. If you're not familiar with how to use false lashes, I would purchase a lash applicator. Don't use tweezers because like you can just poke your eye out. I use my fingers, but it's easy because I don't have long nails. So I don't know, I guess since this is a tutorial I should teach. I have like a big mirror, as you can see the reflection on my face. I like turn it where I'm like looking down into it. It looks like super unflattering, but when I'm looking down, I just, from the center of the lash, I just press that against my eyelid right above my real lashes. And it's honestly super easy once you get the hang of it. And then with my fingers, I usually just press my real lashes into the false lashes so you can't see where it starts and where it ends. Another like helpful way to make sure they blend nicely is using an eyelash curler. I don't use an eyelash curler because don't necessarily need to. It just might help if you're a beginner. It looks so pretty at the end. Just setting my face with my Glam Glow Glow Setter. And I'm just fanning that in. And now I'm going to highlight using my Jaclyn Hill and Becca collaboration. I'm using Prosecco Pop. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I waxed my mustache. It's about damn time. And now I'm using my Smashbox Always On Metallic lipstick in the shade Vino Noir. Sorry, I'm having a moment. I don't normally wear dark lipsticks because bundle lips, but I actually really like this. I really like the Smashbox Always On formula, especially the matte or the metallic. It's like super lightweight and my lips don't feel like crusty even if I wear it for like hours upon hours. So it's a huge bonus. Definitely recommend trying it out. So now that you're ready to slay and break hearts this Valentine's Day, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.